Infinix Hot 9 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by Octa Core 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 plus 1.5 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio A25 chipset. It has 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Infinix Hot 9 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 165.4 mm by 76.8 mm by 8.8 mm and weighs 185 grams. The screen has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and 266 pixels per inch pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 20:9 and screen-to-body ratio of 82.79%. On camera front, the buyers get a 8MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 13MP plus 2MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 5000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volte, and more. Infinix Hot 9 price in India. Infinix Hot 9 smartphone price in India is likely to be 7,999 rupees. Infinix Hot 9 is speculated to be launched in the country on May 29, 2020, expected. As for the color options, the Infinix Hot 9 smartphone may come in matte black, cyan, violet, light blue colors. Summary: Performance: MediaTek Helio A25 storage 128 GB camera 13MP plus 2MP plus 2MP battery 5000 mAh display 6.6 16.76 cm RAM 4 GB launch date in India May 29, 2020 expected. Key specs: front camera 8MP battery 5000 mAh processor MediaTek Helio A25 display 6.6 inches RAM 4 GB rear camera 13MP plus 2MP plus 2MP. Special features: other sensors, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, position rear fingerprint sensor. Yes. General operating system Android V10Q, SIM slots dual SIM, GSM plus GSM model Hot 9 launch date May 29, 2020 expected. Custom UXOs brand Infinix SIM size SIM1, Nano SIM2, Nano network 4G, available, supports Indian bands, 3G, available, 2G, available fingerprint sensor. Yes. Multimedia, with 76.8 mm weight 185 grams build material back plastic thickness 8.8 mm height 165.4 mm colors matte black, cyan, violet, light blue. Display type IPS LCD aspect ratio 20:9 bezel-less display. Yes, with punch hole display pixel density 266p screen to body ratio calculated 82.79% screen size 6.6 inches 16.76 centimeters screen resolution 720 by 1600 pixels touch screen. Yes, capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Storage: internal memory 128 GB, expandable memory yes up to 256 GB. Camera setup: single settings, exposure compensation. Camera features digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Image resolution 4128 by 3096 pixels. Auto focus yes. Shooting modes: continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR, resolution 8MP, primary camera, physical aperture f1.8, flash yes, triple LED flash, video recording 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. Battery: user replaceable, no type Li-iO and USB Type-C, no capacity 5000 mAh. Network connectivity: Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi 802.11 B per gram. N Wi-Fi features mobile hotspot, Bluetooth yes, V5.0 volt yes, USB connectivity, mass storage device, USB charging, micro USB 2.0 network support, 4G supports Indian bands, 3G, 2G GPS yes with a GPS SIM, 14G bands, TD-LTE 2300 band, 40 FD-LTE 1800 band, 3G bands, UMTS 1900 2100s 859 hundredths of a megahertz, 2G bands, GSM 1800 1900s 859 hundredths of a megahertz, GPRS available edge, available SIM size SIM1 nano, SIM2 nano, SIM 24G bands, TD-LTE 2300 band, 40 FD-LTE 1800 band, 3G bands, UMTS 1900 2100s 859 hundredths of a megahertz, 2G bands, GSM 1800 1900s 859 hundredths of a megahertz, GPRS available edge, available